Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Goliath and a keyboard. I'm going to get open the Razer Goliath, and yeah, I have it out of the box. It wasn't really that hard to get out. It was just open this little lid and yeah, put that there, I guess. So yeah, that's the Razer Goliath. So this is a matte mint for speed, so yeah, man. Let's get open the keyboard. I don't think I'm going to be able to open this, so scissors. Got the top of the thing open with these, so bam. Okay, I'm going to pull this out, but I can't do that with one hand, so come on, focus. Whatever, you can read. Sony keyboard, made in China, 10 gears for adjustable brightness. Yeah. I'm gonna get this out of the box. A mouse mat and a keyboard. Let's get into it. Okay, we have the box. Honestly, I don't think I should be doing this. Ooh, that looks nice. That actually looks... Ooh, man, that looks good. Ooh, rec. Ooh, sweet. Recording button. There's a bunch of G keys. This is an LED keyboard, so definitely a step up from my old keyboard. That's glorious. Okay, so I just got out my old keyboard. Don't worry about that. That's just the stinking thing it came in. So, yeah. This is my old keyboard. No recording button, no G keys. No LEDs, no nothing, which I'll show you the LEDs in a second. But this bad boy actually has a recording button, a bunch of 5 G keys. It's actually an LED, which I'll show you in a second. It's by Sony, which I will link all of this stuff down below, like the Razer Goliath. The Razer Goliath, I got that because it's meant for speed. But no, I definitely think this is good product. Also, the thing is threaded. Let me get it in front of the camera. Yeah. It's thread, not wire. So, yeah. I'm going to plug this in and show you what it looks like there. All in all, I think this is definitely a keyboard to buy, as it's LED. Don't worry, this isn't the only color. Let's hit FN and Control Lock. And it should... I have to have the PC on. And I will be right back. The stinking thing is on, so... Yeah, see, I really like the mouse. It actually looks pretty stinking nice. Also, don't worry, this isn't the only color, as I said. FN, and if you hit scroll lock, it will actually change colors. That's no colors. That's red. Dang, that's good, though. Also, this has a record button. Oh, yeah, I already said that, but geez, that's going to be good for recording. Green. Yeah, all in all, this is a pretty stinking good keyboard. Here's the Razer Goliath. Holy crud, that's too fast. Holy crud, that's nice. The mount was actually so big that it really couldn't fit over there, which is printer. I'll shoot my finger out in the way. So, I actually had to have some of the mouse mat under this awesome keyboard. I might as well show you the microphone under this. This is impossible with one hand. I'll link the microphone, the mouse, the stinking thing here if they actually sell that mouse, because it's an iBuy Power mouse. And then this is a stinking keyboard that I'll link to. Stinking microphone! You've heard my microphone before. It sounds ridiculously good. Here it is. Yep, it's that small. This is what it is when it's out, I guess. I got some questions asking me, what's your microphone you use? Well, it's this bad boy. I'm about to plug it in. I don't have a tripod. This is impossible, dude. Okay. There. And there. Shush. Actually, that's how it looks. It's actually pretty nice. The thingy here it came with, I actually usually go like this. So I can just kind of stand it. It has a couple stinking, focus? No, it doesn't want to focus. But those are like, different modes. Cardio modes. Right there is the mini USB that goes into the computer. Oh, that's tissue on the ground. I'll have to clean that up. There's the audio jack. Not the... Derp. Okay. But right here is the stinking, headphone jack. Which I don't suggest putting a full-blown stinking headset in there because it'll just drag the microphone. But yeah, I'll leave links to things and stuff. Yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye.